Okay, you ready? Forward.
No, I can just.
Halt. Forward. Right turn, fast. Normal. About turn. Slow. People running flip-flops. Normal. I can be laid out on the grass. I can't even walk in. Left turn. Halt. Exercise finish. Very nice. Wow. Okay, figure eight cone. Or figure eight ladies.
No, you don't do it. He's gonna get
What
up.
do you do for you, don't I?
Oh,
With your
yeah.
family?
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Forward. Blue heel. Halt. Forward. Blue heel. Halt. Exercise finish. Our lady post there graduated Thursday night from trick class. Her dog, and he did wonderful. What a funny little dog he is.
He is.
He's about this tall, about that long. Okay, you may remove your lead. Stand your dog.
Blue.
Stand. Stay. Exercise finish. This will be your recall. You can put him here and call that way, or go there and call this way. Stay. Just straighten him up so he's coming straight to you. He might take a detour over there.
Is that good?
That's,
Stay.
Turn back.
that's good. Call your dog.